Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Concepts of Civil Engineering. In today's video, we will discuss about pre-stressed concrete. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So what is pre-stressing? As we all know that concrete is good in compression but weak in tension. Okay, so what we see after external loading in the bottom part of concrete or tension zone occurred. Okay, so it's try to be elongated and it starts cracking. That's why we add some steel bars at the bottom section so that it can resist most of the tension and save concrete from the cracking. Okay, so this is called pre-stressing. Okay, so we have provided some steel bars at the bottom section so that it can resist most of the tension and save concrete from cracking. Okay, you can see this clearly in both of the image. Okay, ये जो steel bars है ये हमने concrete के अंदर provide करवा दिए हैं, जिससे क्या होगा अब जो जितना भी टेंशन होगा, ठीक है, वो किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा कंप्रेशन के अंदर. ओके, बट व्हाट अबाउट मेगा स्ट्रक्चर्स विद लार्जर बीम्स स्पैन. ओके, so let's talk about the concept of pre-stressing. So if we talk about mega structures with larger beams, what we will do? So according to RC structures, for these larger beam spans we should provide larger depth. Okay, so let's talk about how does pre-stressing works. Okay, so we all know that high tensile strength steel wires are inserted into the beam section so that they are stretched and anchored, and after that they can released. Okay, so what these tendons do after that? These tendons wants to gain its original length, and tensile stresses are transformed into compressive stress in the concrete. This is called pre-stressing phenomena. Okay, so after loading there are two kind of forces on the beam. Okay, there are two kind of forces acts on the beam. First one is internal pre-stressing force and the second one is external forces, in which dead load, live load and cell weight of the structure comes. Okay, in this category. Now let's talk about pre-stressed concrete material. Okay, so what are pre-stressed concrete material? So we will use high strength 7 wire strand, high strength steel wire of alloy and tendons. Okay, you can see this clearly in both of the image. Okay, the first image जो है वो हमारी टेंडन्स की है, जो कि 7 स्ट्रैंड्स के वायर प्रोवाइड करवाए जाते हैं कंक्रीट के अंदर. ओके, ये अल्टीमेट स्ट्रेंथ देते हैं कंक्रीट को और काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से स्ट्रेच्ड होते हैं ये. ओके, इसलिए इनका बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया जाता है प्री स्ट्रेसिंग के अंदर. Okay, so now let's talk about what kind of concrete required for pre-stressing work. ओके, सो प्री स्ट्रेसिंग के लिए हम जनरली 28 डेज़ का सिलेंडर जो होता है एक क्यूब टेस्ट के अंदर हम लेते हैं. ठीक है, जिसकी जो स्ट्रेंथ होती है वो 5000 PSI होती है या फिर 34 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर होती है. ओके, तो हमको इतनी ज़्यादा हाई स्ट्रेंथ की कंक्रीट क्यों रिक्वायर्ड होती है? वाई दिस हाई स्ट्रेंथ कंक्रीट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर प्री स्ट्रेसिंग? ओके, if concrete is not strong enough, it can be cracked or failed when it is stressed by tendons. Okay, so high compressive strength offer high resistance to tendon and shear, so it is desirable for pre-stressed concrete. So we can say that a high stressed concrete or a high compressive strength concrete is very much important for the pre-stressing. Okay, so this was all about the pre-stressing, and I have tried to keep it very much simple so that you can understand this nicely step by step. If you find my video useful, then please do like and share my video and subscribe my channel for more such videos. We will see you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.